Okay, that is the solo in the Jane and Bernice song. So let's play it over it again. You have it E, La, Fa, So, Do, La, Fa, So, Mi, La, So, La. So let's do the analysis. Let's stop the song and do the analysis. So the key is E. Do, La, Fa, So. So sometimes substitute, we play Mi instead of Do. Then La, Fa, So. That's the chord you play the solo. Because my friend, you said the concentration is the solo, or you requested for the solo. That is why I didn't do the other backing. So we have other guitars, but because you said we have to do the solo. So we have used duet. If I say duet, that means double. So the key is E. We are playing E, the key E major, Fa, A major. So that is B7 or B major. Do, La is C sharp minor. So we have the B down and B on the fourth string. Do here and other do here. That is second string, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth position, second string, and the fifth string, seventh position. So that is, let's take it. So do. That is re, re, mi. Slide from re to mi, the same note. That is re, re, mi. That is F sharp to G sharp. Slide from so B, E, double E, the same thing. F sharp 2 times. La, that is La, C sharp, and C sharp here. That is C sharp on the first string here. 9th position. And third string, 6th position. That is La. So that is that part. So do, re, re, mi, la, la. That's that part. Let's go to the second part. Re, do, ti, do, ti. Then back to so, mi. That is re, do, ti, do, ti. Then back to so, do. So re, do, ti, do, ti. So, mi. That is La, that is La, to, La. Then octave, everything here is octave. Then do, Ti, slide from do to Ti, that is octave. The same octave, do to Ti. Again. Do, Ti, so, fa, mi, mi, re to mi, re, mi, mi. Do, Ti, so, fa, re, mi, mi. Do, Ti, so, fa, re, mi. Then bend, re, re, do, re to more, re more, do, la. So again, that's that side. Again, that is re is F sharp, E, F sharp again. So you slide from F sharp to G. So there is certain ghost scale there. That is do, re, mi, la, so, do. That is E and G sharp, making do, second string and third string. Then we have second string and the third string, the same thing but different position. This is here. We were on the 9th position, but here on the 11th position, and this one on the second string, 10th position. So do you slide the same thing to a whole tone? Do, re, mi, do, re, mi. Again, do, re, mi, re and mi, it is the same. But here, re on the 13th, 11th and 10th. Here is 13th and 12th. 13th on the third string, 12th on the second string. That is do. That is do and mi. That is E and G sharp. Re, that is F sharp, A. Mi, G sharp, B. Because some people say I should mention or call out the keys. La, so la is, this is C sharp and E. La and do and la and do, second string and the first. So it's E flat and B on the second string, E flat on the first string. So that is ghost note. He played very calm. Then that is la, so la, do. Again. Then here, that is here, he played the so, but he hammered only the la note. So again, you see only the la, but the so, the T here remain the same. Then here he bar the chord, you bar the chord here again, becomes re, mi, re. Here the so has become constant. So everywhere you do the hammering, this so note stay constant. Again. Then do, re, do, la, do. That's the technique there. Mi, re, do, la, do. Then you start re, mi, so, do. Or you can play do here, the do here. Do, do, so. La, so, fa, mi. Then the solo finish. That is the whole solo. So let's take it slow. That is after all the slow motion, some people will come and say you are too fast. I didn't see the nose. Please, after watching the video, you download the video, slow the tempo, everything you can play it. So let me slow it once, and that is all. So, my friend, I've forgotten the name. Sorry, I will check and mention your name under the description. You said we should do Jane and Bernice, the solo. You specified that the solo, it means the backings, it's very easy for you, but the solo, I'm sure the mute, nose, and other techniques, that is where you have problems. So don't worry yourself at all. You are all welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this lesson. Don't forget to like the video, share. We are having great and wonderful time. Somebody has requested for catching your solo and other stuff. So if you have a request, don't worry. We are back for good because I was doing some setup and other stuff. This year will be more recording than any other thing. So recording videos, recording songs at the studio, more than playing live band, because if you know, people already know me. So you don't worry, I'm at your service. Don't forget to like the video, share. If you have anything for me, please. My Momo number is 0550-624-337. 0550-624-337. It's my Momo number. And at the same time, my WhatsApp number too is Momo number. That is 0595-655-488. That one too is my Momo number and WhatsApp number. So any of the numbers, there is nothing small for me. So don't worry yourself at all giving me something small. You are all welcome. Wait for something big and other stuff. Bye bye.